Vistas van jou.
Where are we? Canyonlands. Utah. We just got to Utah. It's beautiful out here. Windy, but beautiful. Just got to the Wilson Arch. I got the pups in the backpack behind me. I got the drone in hand. We're gonna fly this drone straight through the Wilson Arch. I also noticed that there's a for sale sign across the street advertising the Wilson Arch. So there is property for sale. The arch itself might even be for sale. You guys think we should buy it? Maybe if this YouTube channel hits 1 million subscribers by next year, we can afford it. Let's wait for wifey. I thought she was right behind me. It is hot out here.
It's hot.
And there's not a cloud in the sky. We're walking through the desert to the arch. We're gonna find a nice shady spot, set up shop, and get this drone up in the air. First time ever getting drone footage on a vacation. Let's see how it turns out. We found our spot. We're gonna set up here in the shade. This thing is massive.
That thing is so cool. I'm speechless. That's what it was.
Speechless. She couldn't even come up with words right now.
I had nothing to say. I was in shock.
Ted, thank you for the drone, dude. I appreciate it. Let's do this.
Yo, zeg, is deze van jou?
He lost the drone, guys. He lost it. It was flying all around here, and all of a sudden it zoomed across and it went right over that mountain. So that's where he's going. Hopefully he finds it. I'm gonna have to go help him too. But for now, we'll be at the arches. Littles can't handle the heat, huh guys?
That was not fun. I just walked about 3/4 of a mile up the mountain. I'm on the other side of the arch here, but I found the drone. I'll show you guys around. Give me 1 second. So that's the back side of the Wilson Arch. This is the right side. And I accidentally flew my drone through that channel, nicked this bush, and it landed right here. It's very steep mountainside. The rocks, not stable at all. Come on, come on. Got you. Doesn't look like there's any damage. Thank God. Battery's good, camera's good. Now, we just gotta make it back up this mountain and around to the other side. I just made it back to the road side of the Wilson Arch. Oh man, what a view from up here. Kinda glad I crashed the drone, or else I wouldn't be seeing this right now. Wow. Wow, what a view. Wifey and the pups are down there somewhere. I came really far, guys. We parked somewhere right there and we walked way over there to get a view of the arches, and I flew my drone over and I tried to come around and we crashed it on that backside. Oh, there she is. She's looking for me right now. I'm actually gonna bring you guys with me, show you the trail that I took down here. I got the drone right here. I have the controller in my hand, it's holding my phone. So that's how we're recording this. And we're just taking little baby steps because these rocks are really slippery. Wifey is way down there. I'm not sure if you can see her or not. I'm pretty sure she's recording me. So we're gonna have some bonus footage for you guys. This is a really slick spot. It gets steep. I'm trying to stay on the ridges, and I'm working sideways across the mountain instead of straight down, using these big rocks as steps. As soon as we get back down there, we're gonna accomplish the mission, fly the drone through the arch.
Yo, zeg, is deze van jou? Yo, zeg, is deze van jou?
Yeah, they're fine. Just keep them out of the sun, please. It is so hot out here.
It is so toasty. It's so pretty.
Oh, remind me to start using the microphone so we can cut this wind noise.
Do you see it? It looks like a beaver.
Alright, let's go. I think this heat is making us delusional. Literally, rock shot for you, buddy. And a dino. Oh, we're stopping here. I think we're gonna get you a rock here.
Let's see what we can find.
Check this out. You can come here, buy your rock off the table, and then they have a honor system. You just put your money in this pole. Pretty neat. We're gonna get little guy a rock. Oh, they're geodes. They're not even just normal rocks. We're gonna get a few of these. That's a cool one.
Come out.
Pretty cool.
These are my rocks.
Did you come from the dollar table too?
Discount. He was free.
He was free.
He was free.
Oh, look at fossils, clams.
Oh my god, these for little Abe. These are the ones. This is what we should get him.
A mini geode.
It's a mini geode, yeah.
And then I want to get him a dinosaur bone. Look at the
Okay.
dinosaur bones.
Let's see. This one's pretty cool.
Oh, these are cool too.
Ooh, these. Oh, little guy. Little guy got something.
Fossils.
Did you find them?
We're gonna get little guy a geode and a dinosaur bone. They're actually open though, so we're gonna pay inside. So many to choose from.
What is it? Dino bones.
You can't eat these bones, Lewis.